Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your cabin air filter. This simple maintenance task improves air quality inside your vehicle and helps your heating and cooling system run efficiently. You will need a new cabin air filter and possibly a small screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked and turned off before you begin. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to complete in about 15 minutes. Now, let's access the filter. First, clear everything out of your glove box. Next, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to release the upper stops, allowing it to swing down further. On the right side, you will see a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip this. Once released, the glove box will drop down completely, revealing the rectangular housing that contains your cabin air filter. With the glove box open, you will see the filter housing cover. There are typically two small clips on either side. Unclip these to remove the cover. Now, gently slide the old filter straight out. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the old filter, as the new one must be installed in the same orientation. Slide your new filter into the slot, making sure its airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually downwards. Almost done. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap firmly into position. Next, reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Finally, push the glove box back up until it clicks securely into its closed position. Turn on your vehicle and test the air conditioning or heating to ensure everything is working correctly. Enjoy your cleaner cabin air.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.